Now, meteor showers, we have all heard of it, but have we really seen one in person?
That sounds like something that should be on a bucket list.
Yes.
For which you need the perfect place to witness this grand celestial spectacle.
Now, that idea on Power Drift is worthy of a road trip. And for the road trip, we got together with Apollo tires, shot the motorcycles with some Alphas, perfect companion for going the distance in search of a starlit site.
This time we join Varun and Akshay as they head into one of the remotest parts of the world
Yes, on a journey of a lifetime.
to fulfill the wish of seeing a meteor shower.
Welcome to Power Drift.
Welcome to the bucket list.
And finally, it begins. Taking off a motorcycling pilgrimage like no other. Starting with a town as beautiful as Leh. The motorcycle journey at hand is one that is inspired by many riders from around the world. I am one such rider. My name is Varun Painter, but this ride is not on my bucket list.
Because this one is on my bucket list. My name is Akshay, and just like Varun, I'm in Ladakh to be a part of this memorable journey on two wheels. But unlike Varun, I've been to Ladakh many times before. Though this one is about going the distance all the way onto the roof of the world, as far into the stars and possibly beyond.
The journey begins with riding through the town and is to come full circle at a place where civilization doesn't exist. Akshay and I are in search of this very place to watch a magical meteor shower with the backdrop of some of the darkest skies in the world. What a place! Everywhere I point my camera, the pictures come out so beautiful. Akshay, do you realize we've been riding for about 2 hours now? And I'm still not over how magical this place is. It's so easy to get lost here, yaar.
You gotta be careful though, and keep your eyes on the road.
Why are you so serious though? And what are you doing with your phone? I mean, don't the shooting stars come out at night? Look around you, I can barely see anything.
Yeah, they do. But we need the perfect conditions. All we need is a clear sky and a new moon night.
Yeah, dude, that's exactly the mumbo jumbo Atul was trying to give me before I left. You know what, I kind of miss him here. Wish he was around.
Come, let's ride some more.
Yep, let's go. As you further ride deeper into the unknown, you are subjected to some spectacular views of the magical Buddhist ex-kingdom. But on a road less traveled, a destination has many paths.
No. This is my first time here in Leh and I'm not getting to do the things I want to do.
Varun, I understand, but this is your first time riding at this altitude. If we take that right, we'll be passing through some really tricky situations. You won't be able to see the stars we came here for, Varun.
I'll tell you something. I'm a grown man, no offense here. I'm a grown man, I can take my own decisions and I can do what I want to do. It's plain and simple.
Okay, Varun, do whatever you want to. You're free to go.
And often as Alpha riders, the routes to your destination can go separate ways. But the thing about the mountains here is that there is so much to see in every direction. As breathtaking the mountains may be, they have a way of reminding you where you are.
Oh, the summertime has come, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Well, ye go, lassie.
They say if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you must go far, go together. Especially if you wish to go the distance and ride through one of the highest motorable roads on the planet, through the pass of Tang Lang La.
Akshay, thanks for having me back.
You thought I wanted to ride alone? Not a chance.
Bro, this view. And look at those roads. Are we going somewhere down below?
No, man. Way beyond that.
Well, I think it's getting chilly here. I think we should go.
Yeah, let's go.
The mountains were great. But why a meteor shower in Ladakh?
Well, Varun, look around.
There's very little light pollution here.
Yeah, I understand that. But I can't see anything like nothing at all.
Yeah, I guess the sky is cloudy and it's getting too cold here. बहुत थक भी गया हूँ यार. Let's call it a night.
Chalo, good night.
A meteor shower needs clear nights and crystal skies, so we rode during the day and hoped to reach before the sun set. Over surreal plains, through every terrain. And in search of this elusive piece of land that would present us the darkest clear skies, we found someone we least expected.
What did you expect? You would go on a stargazing expedition without me? Huh? Akshay, nice to see you, man. Varun Peta, nice to see you.
What are you doing here?
I'm here for the exact same reasons, man. To capture the meteor shower, but with my camera. I know the exact spot where the skies will unfold themselves in their supreme glory. And if you leave now, you'll be just in time for the perfect sunset. Let's go, guys.
एक बात बता, where are we going?
Hanle.
Our journey that started at a quaint little town was coming to an end at 4,500 meters above sea level, at a place that sees 270 clear nights a year. Hanle is home to the world's highest observatory.
This place is home to one of the highest observatories in the world. After chasing sunsets all my life to this chasing stars.
But the real show will begin after the lights on the horizon will give way to complete darkness. And don't forget, that this is happening only because you guys decided to go the distance. Alright, boys, it's showtime. Varun, you didn't tell us what your bucket list on this trip would be.
You really want to know? I want to go to the moon and back.
You're crazy, man.
We are in Jodhpur with these two-wheeled beasts, which means we are just about ready to embark on my bucket list quest.
What were we looking for? This was utter madness. Varun's obsession with the book and its map to the moon. Is this it?